What is this thing and do you need it? A lot of people swear you do need it, but do you? We're going to check this one out and let you know. Today, we're taking a closer look at a tool built for serious outdoor cooking, grilling, and fire starting power, the Saker Propane Torch. This torch is designed to deliver extreme heat, reliable safety, and fast ignition all in one compact setup. If you cook outside, grill, camp, or just like having dependable firepower on hand, this is a tool worth knowing about. The first thing that stands out is the heat output. This torch can reach an intense 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can adjust the flame to exactly what you need. That means you can sear steak, light charcoal, or start a campfire with precision instead of fighting with weak flames or inconsistent heat. A lot of torches blast too much or give you barely enough, but this one gives you full control over a genuinely powerful flame. Before we go any further, I want to make this perfectly clear. This is not a toy. This is not for children. You may see me doing some things a little extreme with it here. I want to demonstrate the power of it and things that it can do. Safety is another big part of the design. The Saker torch includes a triple layer safety system, a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, a heat responsive nozzle that manages temperature buildup, and a secure gas seal that keeps everything stable while you're using it. When you're dealing with a flame this strong, you want the tool to be built with safety in mind, and this one clearly is. One feature that really stands out is the one-touch max flame power trigger. With a single press, you get full output instantly. If you've ever tried lighting charcoal in a hurry or struggled with damp firewood at a camp, that instant blast of heat makes a huge difference. There's no waiting, no coaxing the flame, and no wasted time. What makes the torch even more versatile is that it's built for both barbecue and outdoor cooking. It's not just a kitchen torch. You can use it for grilling, food searing, charcoal lighting, and finishing other dishes. You can melt cheese, caramelize toppings, or get that perfect crust on your campfire meals. I even used it to help me get those hard to reach corners on my Blackstone when I was seasoning it. Did you know almost 90% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribers? We would love it if you would subscribe to the Campsite Cruising channel. Picture this. You're out boondocking. The wood is damp. Daylight is fading, and you need a fire quickly. This torch handles it. Or you're grilling at home and want that restaurant level sear without heating up a pan. This torch handles it. Or maybe you're lighting charcoal for a quick cookout. Again, this torch handles it. It's one of those tools that doesn't just do one job, it does a lot of jobs well. So if you'd like to get a Saker Propane Torch Gun for yourself and enjoy that high heat, smart safety, and instant max power built for the kitchen and outdoor life, we will have a link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you found this video useful, entertaining, or helpful, please give it a like and consider sharing it with your friends.